Warm greetings. Today is Tuesday, June 18, 2024. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia. At the time of recording this video, it is 11:30 in the morning local time in Texas, where, like in Tamaulipas, preparations are underway for the impact of what will soon be Tropical Storm Alberto, potential cyclone number 1, a low-pressure system with a high probability of becoming a tropical storm before reaching Tamaulipas and southern Texas during the afternoon hours of Wednesday. However, the effects should begin to be felt across the region tonight and early Wednesday morning. You can see the tropical outlook from the National Hurricane Center updated at 8 a.m. Note the potential cyclone number 1 in the Bay of Campeche. Let's talk about potential cyclone number 1 of the season. It is a low-pressure system in the Gulf of Mexico associated with a broad circulation stemming from the Central American gyre. As projected, this circulation is very broad, making cyclonic development slow. A Hurricane Hunter aircraft is investigating the area and has not yet found a defined or compact circulation, so it is not yet a tropical cyclone. Despite this, it is generating some tropical storm force winds northeast of the circulation. This is why a tropical storm warning has been issued for the coast of Texas and Tamaulipas, as tropical storm force winds may begin to affect these regions from tonight and early Wednesday morning. Look at the projected trajectories of the specialized models. The system is expected to start taking a more northwest turn soon. Within about 24 hours, it will begin a complete westward movement, reaching the coast of Tamaulipas by Thursday afternoon or evening. These 36 hours over the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico should be sufficient for continued organization. It is expected to become Tropical Storm Alberto at some point, with models projecting it will reach Tamaulipas as a moderate tropical storm, with maximum sustained winds near 50 or 55 miles per hour. Here, you can see the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center. By Wednesday morning, it should be Tropical Storm Alberto, eventually moving over Tamaulipas during the afternoon and evening hours of Wednesday. In blue, you can see where the tropical storm warning has been issued. Please pay close attention because, although the center of circulation is expected to enter central Tamaulipas, the tropical storm warning extends into the state of Texas, meaning hundreds of kilometers north of the circulation. This is precisely because, as you can see in this image in yellow, the extension of tropical storm winds remains to the north and northeast of the circulation. This is the area that will be moving over southern Texas and northern Tamaulipas. In this case, do not focus on the trajectory of the center but rather on the effects that will be felt in the northern part of the circulation. Today we also have better consensus among global models. For example, the GFS model now agrees with the projection of the European model, showing a moderate tropical storm approaching central Tamaulipas by Thursday morning. Meanwhile, the European model continues to project a tropical storm entering Tamaulipas during the early hours of Thursday morning. If we consider the projections of the past few days, the European model definitely appears to have the best projection for this disturbance. Other models, such as the German model, have also joined this solution. It also shows a moderate tropical storm entering Tamaulipas during the early hours of Thursday morning. The difference between the models and the National Hurricane Center's projection is that the National Hurricane Center forecasts the center will enter during the afternoon hours of Wednesday, unlike the models that have it entering during the night hours of Wednesday or early Thursday morning. Regardless of when the center reaches Tamaulipas, the circulation is very broad, and the rain and winds will begin to move over southern Texas and northern Tamaulipas starting tonight, Tuesday. It is important for residents of the coast and southern Texas, as well as the coast of Tamaulipas, to prepare for tropical storm conditions that will begin in the next 24 hours. Let's talk about the rain and winds expected across Texas and Mexico. But before that, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of these forecast videos, and to stay informed during the hurricane season. Click the red button below the video that says subscribe, then click the bell so you get notifications when I record new videos. Now, let's look at the anticipated rainfall totals for southern Texas. You can see that between the cities of San Antonio, Laredo, Corpus Christi, and Brownsville, 6 to 8 inches of rain are expected starting early Wednesday morning and extending until at least Friday. These rainfall totals can cause significant flooding across southern Texas. Keep this in mind as you complete your preparations. Additionally, note that for northern and northeastern Mexico, specifically over the states of Coahuila, Nuevo León, and Tamaulipas, rainfall totals between 150 to 200 millimeters are expected, which can also cause some flooding, including in the city of Monterrey. Furthermore, further south, over the states of Tamaulipas and San Luis Potosí, between 150 to 250 millimeters are expected over the next 3 days. Here, there is also a possibility of flooding, but this rain will definitely be welcome to alleviate the drought affecting the region. In terms of wind, you can see the projection of wind gusts according to the GFS model. From Tuesday night into early Wednesday morning, some tropical storm force winds will be moving over southern Texas. Wind gusts between 50 to 60 miles per hour are projected to affect the region, which can cause some local power outages and the fall of some trees and branches. Remember that even though the center of the future tropical storm will be entering central Tamaulipas, it will be the northern part of the circulation that will have the tropical storm winds. Therefore, the northern corner of Tamaulipas can also receive some wind gusts near 65 kilometers per hour. For the rest of Mexico, the winds should not be as strong. I will stay alert to keep you informed of updates. Before I go, I wanted to invite you to support my project by becoming members of my channel. If you are interested, go to the blue button that says join below the video. Click on it and see the different types of memberships where, with a small monthly contribution, you can support my project and receive some additional benefits. Well, with this, I say goodbye. I'll record a new update for you tomorrow. See you later.